In today's video, I will show you step-by-step process of how to save multiple chart layouts in TradingView. This is pretty simple, guys. First of all, open your browser and search for TradingView.com. Click here to open your trading chart. Simply select the pair you want to save. Like I'm selecting BTC, USDT. Here I'm adding some indicators and drawings to the chart. To save this chart layout, simply go to top right corner, click here, and a drop-down menu will appear like this. Rename this layout and type by which name you want to save the layout and click Save. Then again, click here and double verify from here that your layout has been saved successfully. To open layouts, you were saved simply. Click here and then click on Load Layout. A pop-up window will appear like this. From here, you can select the layout you want to see. Simply click on that layout and your saved chart will be loaded. Like I was saved this layout for my analysis, and there is no worries, I can access it anytime I want. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.